In this video, I'll show you how to watch Peacock TV in Canada. If you try to open Peacock TV from Canada, you'll notice that the platform isn't available. Peacock is a US-only streaming service, and it blocks access outside the United States because of licensing restrictions. There's no option inside Peacock to change your country, and even having a Peacock account won't help if you're not accessing it from a US IP address. That's why Peacock TV doesn't load or shows an error when you try to stream from Canada. The easiest and completely legal way to watch Peacock TV in Canada is by using a VPN. A VPN lets you change your online location so Peacock thinks you're accessing it from the United States. The VPN I recommend for this is NordVPN because it's fast, reliable, and works well with US streaming platforms. You can find the NordVPN link in the description. Now I'll walk you through the steps on a PC. First, open your browser and go to the official NordVPN website using the link in the description. Download the NordVPN app for your computer, install it, and then open the app. Log in to your NordVPN account. After connecting, open a new browser tab and go to peacocktv.com. If the site was already open before, refresh the page or close and reopen your browser to make sure the new location is applied. Now you'll be able to browse Peacock TV normally. Log into your Peacock account or sign up if needed, and you should have full access to Peacock's content library, including shows, movies, and live events available in the US. If a video doesn't play or you see an error, simply go back to the NordVPN app, disconnect and connect to another US server, then refresh Peacock TV and try again. This usually fixes the issue right away. For the best experience, keep NordVPN connected while you're watching. NordVPN offers high-speed servers optimized for streaming, so you can watch Peacock TV in HD without buffering. NordVPN also keeps your connection private and secure. It hides your real IP address, encrypts your internet traffic, and includes features like a kill switch and threat protection to block trackers, ads, and unsafe websites while you stream. So that's exactly how to watch Peacock TV in Canada. Connect to a US server with NordVPN, open Peacock TV in your browser, and enjoy unlimited streaming without restrictions. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN and start watching Peacock TV today.